What did curiosity do to the cat?
I've tested 7 or 8 pay-for-picks services. A lot of them sucked. These 2 worked. MarketClub.com, where the members profit $500 a year. They give you entry and exit signals. Every stock is given 3 time frames: daily, weekly, and monthly. Market Club's algorithm gives those time frames intraday arrows, green or red, based on volume, price action, yada yada. The best way to scan for hot stocks is the trade triangle tab here. I run this every morning and it's been consistent. You'll see 4 boxes with drop downs. Leave the first one as is, equity. On the second one, pick volume greater than 2 million. As always, you want that volume behind you. You'll change the next drop down to monthly trade triangle. That's going to be the strongest, longest ride, right? So we are looking for stocks that just got the green light for the monthly, or a red arrow if you're looking to short stocks. Let's hit scan. It will populate the results. And stocks that just got a new green or red arrow on the time frame, it'll be highlighted yellow. That's what you're seeing here. Sort by volume again, biggest on top to narrow your search. And I found stocks this way that I would never know about, never knew existed. That's why stock pickers are so important in 2021. You can't just rely on the usual suspects like you could in 2020. So that's one of the great benefits, not just enter and exit signals, but you're going to find stocks you didn't even know were out there. And sell signals, whenever you see if you're buying the stock long, whenever you see a red weekly or monthly, then that's your exit signal to sell. You can save your bought stocks to your portfolio, and every day I scan this to see if any of those exit signals came in. Gang, gang. One more thing on Market Club before we get to ARK. Don't just buy when you see the entry signal. There's always a pullback, so that could be an hour or the end of the day or next day. You'll get a better price, so wait for that pullback before you buy. ARK will send you their intraday buy and sells. It comes at about 7:45 p.m. You'll see what they bought and sold, what the stocks were, how many shares, and percentage of ETF that stock makes up. So I'm looking at big percentages, 0.5 of their ETF, and which stocks are coming up day to day. Are they still buying the stock even though the price goes down? Very valuable. And of course, if a bunch of jabrones piggyback on their trades, that helps them out too. Look how much PCAR comes up on these. Something like 10 different lines almost every day for the past week and a half. And they were even buying it as the price was going down. It really shows you what they think about it. This day is really important. Look, it was a crash day. Look at all their sells. So the stuff they buy on this day are even more important. This gal is amazing. I've had no losers from here. But that's because I wait for specific signs on the chart before I buy. So you have your stock. What now? Look at this. This was yesterday. Isn't this beautiful in its simplicity? I want a trend line. I buy on the breakout. It's not a real breakout unless there is 3 ascending bars of volume. This is a 5-minute chart here. So entry there. Then we have a bullish pennant. Another breakout. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 ascending bars of volume. Another buy there. It's a winner. Questions below. Don't be stupid. Don't be smart. Mr. Inbetween.